Magnitude 7.2 ang lindol na tumama dito sa Bohol.
Karon amo i-share ang experience paglinom ka October 15, 2013. So naa diri atong isa ka interview unsa sa experience paglinom. Kasi nga ni mo ba?
Ako si Merilus Jan.
Taga-asa ka?
Taga Cebu ko nga viewer dito. Ngayon, arin ako nagpuyo sa Bohol.
So unsa may ikaw ano mo paglinom mo? Di naman ka ato.
Nga ako sa Cebu ato ma'am din. Kuan. Nga ako sa eskwelahan kay klase mo nga.
Kusog-kusog ba po ang kuan dito alin?
Oo, kusog-kusog po.
Diyan ka, di ba unsa man mo sa inyong kuan, maestro nga naman mo sa eskwela?
Kuan ko ng pagkahitabo dyan nato kay nangaratol lami dayon. Patago mi sa ilang sa bangko. Buwan rami nga ka ng hinahinay ng linog hantod sa mawa bito.
Unsa may na-feel nimo adto?
Kuya niya kanang kulba kayo kay ano basin niya di may tabo bito.
Salamat ma'am. Ikaduha na to nga interview ko nagusay ang experience paglinom. Unsa name nimo sir?
Ral,
Taga-asa man ka?
taga-Tagbilaran.
Unsa may na-experience mo paglinom sir?
Ano tayo sinabi sa mga walay. Patang may maglaag. Tapos, ikalitag, linog kusog. Puto, nagipasod sa balay. Tapos, pag umanat to, pag linog, ipagawas bigay, ipamakil.
Kusog-kusog ba to sir?
Kusog to.
Unsa may na-feel nimo adto?
Napilaw, hadlog at balay. First time ako to na.
Sa to nga interview kung sa iyong experience paglinom. Unsa yung name nimo sir?
Limis yung bilang
Taga-asa man ka?
dawis.
Di? Sa man ka paglinom?
Nasbay, o parang pamilya.
Kusog-kusog ba to sa inyo sir?
Gusto kayo, kuyapan ka.
Unsa may na-feel nimo adto di ay?
First time lang, kuyapan naman ang bang.
Nakalaban taon dyan, naka-recover po ka dayo.
Oh.
Good morning everyone, I'm Erwin Lumod Baguio. I share it why I experienced during the earthquake in Bohol was extreme fear and shock because I did not expect that to happen at that time. I was just a child when that happened and I did know what to do to survive the situation. I feel a lot of fear and at that time and just obeyed those who were older than me so that I would get hurt. We went where there was a flat area and no trees to avoid things pulling. The others hid in the fields because there were no trees and far from the houses there I could see the fear on the face of the people and what kind of oaths they made just to stop the earthquake in Bohol. Many trees fell and some houses were damaged. The roads had potholes. I have heard a lot of old people's rumors about the existence of an earthquake in Bohol, which I believe at that time. I can only see one thing when there is an earthquake in Bohol. Don't ignore it because you can damage it, especially and we can't know what will happen in the future. And that's all.
This is Cedric Declicot from Section S3P. My personal experience in earthquake is getting nervous and rattled and I don't know what I can do because first time in my life experiencing an earthquake 7.2 magnitude. And after the earthquake, so many infrastructure get destroyed and so many lives are lost.
So, mao din sila ang akong na-interview kung sa na-experience paglinom.